If you see the P2004 error code in your Nissan Altima or Nissan Rogue, you may be sure that the problem is with the IMRC valve, or Intake Manifold Runner Control valve. This is a very common thing, and this valve is faulty, and there is a TSB made by Nissan for this problem, so they know about this issue. And you can solve it pretty easily by replacing this IMRC valve, which costs about $140 and plus $150 for labor, so 1.5 hours of labor. This is the valve that controls the flap in your intake manifold in this QR25DE or 2.5 liter engine. The intake manifold has several positions of the flaps in order to change its length, so-called length of the intake manifold. And when the RPMs of the engine change, this valve will change the length of the manifold and change the pattern of how air gets into your engine. And this makes the engine more efficient, more powerful, and makes it more economical, maybe. In the description of this video, I will leave the TSB number, so you can check, you can just Google this TSB number and check the procedure of replacing this valve. And you will see that this is not a DIY thing, because to replace this valve properly, you will need to have a good Nissan compatible scanner that will relearn all kinds of sensors that are involved in the process. And only after that, your car will work properly.